Hey guys, we're gonna keep working and practicing making groups of 10 to make those teen numbers. So what you're gonna need today, my friends, is you're gonna need your 6.4. It has the picture of all the yummy, delicious fruits. And then on the other side, we have some pictures of where we gotta have to get some groups of 10. So let me flip my camera and we're gonna go ahead and do this together real quick because it's fast in kindergarten. All right, my friends, here we are at our 6.4. And remember last time on our 6.3 how we got all the different 10s and we tried to count the objects to get 10? Well, we're going to go ahead and do this too. And we're going to make groups of 10, okay? So you're going to circle them or you can color them in as long as there's only 10. Okay, so let's look at the first one together. Right here we have 1, 2. But over here in this group, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what you can do is you can circle this group of 10 if you want to, or you can even color it in. It's your choice. I will like either one because there's more than one way to show groups of 10, right? So there's my 10, but you leave that 2 alone, okay? And this number, when you have 10 and 2, it makes 12. Because you have 10, 11, 12. And so you can write the number 12 on the side. You can even write a math sentence that goes with this. So you can do 10 plus 2 more equals 12. So you can even write the math sentence that goes with it. All right, so let's check out this one. Let's see how many this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, so we're going to do 10, color in these 10. All right, so you can color these in if you want to. And it doesn't matter what 10 you color in as long as it's only 10, right? So I'm going to go ahead and circle 10 here. So here we go. Oh, look, so we have 2 left over like we did over here on this one, didn't we? So we can do write 12 down here again, 1 and a 2. And then I'm actually going to do this again. So I have 10 plus 2 equals 12. So I can do my math sentence here. All right, let's go ahead and get 10 here. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, there's 10 and there's 3 left over. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1 and a 3 make 13. 1 and a 3 make 13. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my black marker and I'm just going to go ahead and circle my 10 if you guys want to circle it or just color 10. Now let's write the math sentence. So we have 10, right? And 3. So plus and mean the same thing. And then we have 3, and that will equal 1 and a 3, and that's 13. All right, let's go over here and let's do 10 of our here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and it doesn't matter how you make your 10 as long as you only color 10. So now I'm going to go ahead and circle these 10 just so you guys can see it better. You guys can only color 10 if you want to, or you can circle 10. All right, so we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. So let's see. So 10... 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 1 and a 5 make 15. 1 and a 5 make 15. 1 and a 5 make 15. All right, I'm going to write my sentence. So I'm going to write 10 plus 5 equals 15. And it's okay that I did it this way too because I'm going to show you this. Because if I do this, put a line, that means equals. That line right there means equals. And if I put a plus right here, this up and down is the same thing as side to side. So you can write your problems up and down or side to side. So it works both ways. And that means this 10 plus 5 is the same thing as up here, okay? All right, let's color in these 10. Let's get 10 here. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so and remember, it doesn't matter what 10 you color as long as you only color 10, right? All right, let's see what we get here. All right, so here's my 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. So Miss Keegan's going to go ahead and write a 12, and that's 1 and a 2, make 12. And then let's write our math sentence. And I'm going to write my math sentence again up and down, okay? So we have 10 first, and then we put our plus, and then we have 2 left. So I'm going to put 2, and this line, like this, that long line right there, that means equals. That's the same thing. And then I'm going to put a 1 and a 2 down here because that's 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. All right, let's try this one together. Let's color just 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, so make sure you only color 10. So I'm going to circle it for you guys so you can see it better. And we're going to come down and go around and go back up and then come back over. All right, so let's see. We have, 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to put my 12 down here because I have more room for my 12 here. And then over here, I'm going to write my math sentence, okay? And I'm going to do it up and down again because I don't have any room along the bottom. So I'm going to do 10 plus, we got 2 left over, right? So 2 equals, and we know it's 12. So I'm going to put my 1 and my 2 down there. Good job, guys. All right, let's go ahead and do this one. Let's color in 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, let me circle it in a different color so you guys can see it. So I'm going to go down and around, and I'm going to go back up and come back down. Oh my gosh, I have 1 left over. So let's see, 10, 11, 10, 11. So I'm going to go ahead and write 11 here on the side. And then on this side, I'm going to write our math sentence. So we have 10 plus, we have 1 left over, right? Just that 1. So we're going to put 1, put the equal sign, and that's 11. A 1 and a 1, okay? So 10 plus 1 equals 11. Let's come to this one. Let's try it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's convenient that it's all in one group together. So I'm just going to go ahead and circle the whole group. And then I have 2 left over. So 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 12 here. And then I'm going to write my math sentence, okay? You can write it up and down if you want to, or across. I think I'm going to write it across this time. So I have 10, because I have 10 here. And then plus 2 left over. So I'm going to put my 2. And that's going to equal 12. All right, so I have 10 plus 2 equals 12. All right, let's do this one together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to go ahead and circle it. Make sure that it's only, you counted only 10, right? All right, so we have 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to write my 12 again. All right, and you guys can write your math sentence across or on top. And I'm going to do it up and down again because I don't have a lot of room. So I'm going to go 10 plus, because we have 2 left over. So 2, put my equal sign, and we know it's 12 because we counted it. 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 12 down there. All right, let's go ahead and do this one together. Let's color those hearts. Let's get 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, we got a whole group again. So I'm going to circle this whole group. That's easy. Holy mackerel. And we have 2 left over again. So what number is that again? That's 12 again. 1 and a 2. Oh my gosh, you guys are going to be pros at the number 12 for sure. All right, I'm going to write that math sentence, okay? And I'm going to write it up and down because I can fit it in here. So 10 plus, because there's my 10, 2 left over. So I'm going to put 2 here. Equals, and it's 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. Let's go do this one together. Here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, there's 10 again in this whole group. That's awesome. So 10 all the way around. All right, and we have 2 left over, so let's count it. 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to write that 12 again, 1 and a 2. All right, let's write that math sentence. I wonder what it's going to look like. We have 10, so let's put our 10 first. 2 left over, so plus 2 equals 12. So 1 and a 2. All right, let's try the last one. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, let's circle those 10. So I'm going to go down and around, up, over, up. Woohoo! So now we have 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. We got 12 again, my friends. Okay, so let's write that math sentence. 10, because we have it right here, plus 2 left over. We're going to put that 2. All right, and then we're going to put that equal sign, and we know it equals 12. So good job, guys, finding all your groups and writing your math sentences either across or up and down. Okay, so now we're going to flip it over. And this one I'm going to have you guys do by yourself in just a minute, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to get your groups of 10. You got to circle or color your groups of 10 and then say how many is left over. So let's get 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you can color 10 or you can circle the group of 10, okay? So you got to watch what your numbers are to make sure that you only get 10 because it says 10 right here. So 10 and how many are left? 1, 2, 3. And that's 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a 3 here, okay? So there's 10 here and then 1, 2, 3 left over. So 10 and 3 make 13. 1 and a 3 make 13. 1 and a 3 make 13. All right, we're going to try this watermelon one together, okay? And then you guys get to do 1, 2, 3 on your own, okay? So here you go. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's your 10. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that, okay? So you can see that there's a group of 10. There's our 10. And then we have 2 left over. So it says here 10, which is here. And is So 10, we already have a 10. And how many are left over? 1, 2. So we're going to go ahead and put a 2 here. So 10 and 2 make 12, right? So there's 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. And a 12 is a 1 and a 2. So we did these two together. I want you guys to do this one and this one and this one by yourselves and see what you can come up with, okay? Good luck practicing, guys, and I know you can do this. You are awesome with your numbers.